G'day and welcome. My name is Matt, I'm from DIY Data, and today I'm going to do a bit of a run through of this little EDC toolkit that I made quite a while ago that lives in my work bag. I don't use it a whole lot, but I just wanted to run through it and show you what's in it. So first thing is a cigarette lighter. I don't smoke, never have. But cigarette lighter is quite handy to have. Of course, a little screwdriver. It's got a bunch of, in here it's got a bunch of assorted bits, so that's always quite handy to have something like that. This is a really cheap little screwdriver. Not a huge fan of it, but for a mini kit it's somewhat handy. Now, here's one of the uses for the cigarette lighter. Is a bit of an emergency hot glue fix. I don't know if I've actually tested this to confirm it works, but at some point I need to. It's just shoved in my bag, and yeah, as you can see, what else it's all got. A pair of tweezers. Because this is primarily kind of my work bag, I've also got a Extron tweaker. Now you might go, why do I have a multi-bit screwdriver and another micro screwdriver? What I find with the Extron ones, and this length comes in quite handy sometimes. As you can hear my dog barking outside, but that's okay. So if you need to get into a recessed hole, this type of screwdriver isn't quite deep enough quite often. So yeah, I got this, and you can pull the handle off and it will collapse quite small. What else have we got in here? I can't remember half the stuff in here because I don't actually use it that often. But here we go. Here's another one that we got. Little Gerber clutch. It's a little mini multi-tool. I need to remember this is in my bag because sometimes I forget my Leatherman or something, and should remember that that's in here. So what else have we got? Oh, we got a little pencil. Yeah, there you go. Sometimes it's handy having a way to make notes. Thought it had a Sharpie, like a mini Sharpie in here too, but apparently not. I probably grabbed it out to do something at some point. And what else have we got in here? A set of Allen keys. Just a, I'm guessing by the looks of them, just a cheapo pair of grabs from somewhere. Next thing is a diamond knife sharpener. It won't make your knives super sharp, but it'll get you out of trouble if you end up with a blunt knife somewhere. And the last thing that looks like is in here, which is a bit of a handy everyday kind of thing, is a little hotel. Last thing in here is a little hotel sewing kit. So if you lose a button or need to stitch something up when you're away from home, it's always handy to have something like that. So that is my little everyday carry kind of toolkit. As I said, I don't use it particularly often, and I kind of just wanted to bust it out to show people this and I do have some other ones that again I don't use too often, but I thought little toolkits are kind of cool and handy. We can look at this, see what is handy and what's not, and maybe tweak it a bit at some point and go through what we add to this kit next time. Alright, so that is everything that we have here in this little toolkit. It's fairly small, fairly compact. It's just more of a everyday solvey kind of kit, and I just wanted to bust it out and see if there was anything else in here that we could add, and now you can see what's in here. Maybe I'll do another video at some point where I have a think and see what we can add, see what we can change. Anyway, my name's Matt, I'm from DIY Data, and thanks for watching.